ちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today, kanji video number 18 of JLPT N4. The meaning of this kanji is the voice. 声, 声. And onyomi, it's also say or show. At first, we're gonna learn how to write it. The first stroke is this red one, like this, going up like one. Then the second one is this black line just in the middle, in the center, going straight down, the vertical. And the third one is this blue one, like this, the same inclination, but this is shorter than the red one. Now the fourth stroke is this one, this green one, going a little bit up, the same inclination. And now you are going a little bit to inside. And here, just in the center, this red one going down, not so long. And now this here, the black line from here to like this, you close. Then the last one is this blue one. From here, and the first, you touch this black one and a little bit going outside to your left. The expression, I hear the voice. 声がします。And instead of 声, the voice, we can use with 音. This is sound. 音がします。I hear a sound. A singing voice. 歌声. And here, instead of 声, we pronounce with 点語. 歌声. Her singing voice is wonderful, fantastic. 彼女の歌声は素晴らしいです。彼女の歌声は素晴らしいです。Loud voice, 大声. This O comes from 大きい, big, so big voice. 大声, loud voice. 大声 itself, this is a noun, so the loud voice, but we can use as adverb. In this case, 大声で with the particle で. Grandpa has poor hearing, so we must talk in a loud voice. To have good ears, to have sharp ears, 耳がいい. On the other hand, to have poor hearing, 耳が遠い or 耳が悪い。おじいちゃんは耳が遠い。耳が遠いですから、大声で話さなければなりません。おじいちゃんは耳が遠いですから、大声で話さなければなりません。A small voice, 外ボッチェ。小声。This kanji, this is 小さい small, but here we pronounce 小声. In the library, we must talk in a low voice. 図書館では小声で話さなければなりません。図書館では小声で話さなければなりません。Fame, reputation, 名声。The first kanji, this is 名前 name, and also 有名 famous. And so here we pronounce 名. And this one, say, 名声 to have reputation or to be prestigious. 名声があります。My nephew is working in a prestigious company. In this sentence, I'm gonna use relative clause. おいは名声があるを名声のある会社で働いています。おいは名声がある会社で働いています。おいは名声のある会社で働いています。This kanji symbolizes illness, 病 illness, and also in onyomi, byo. The first stroke is this red one here. 1 and 2, the black one. 2, going up. And 3 is this one, blue one. 3. And now this part is like from katakana. So 4 and 5. Chun. Now this part of inside. The first one, this black one. 1 and 2, blue one, and the green one. 3. And you turn like this and jump. And now this red one from here, from this black one, 4. And now from here, the last one, from this green part, here. Hospital, 病院. In this kanji, in, it means building. Sick person, ill person, 病人. Here the kanji of person, 人. But here we pronounce 人, 病人. Sudden illness, 急病, 急病. This kanji 急, this is 急に. Suddenly. Chronic disease, chronic illness, 持病, 持病. The first kanji comes from 持ちます, to sustain something in the hand, to hold something in the hand. You've got it. So 持病, chronic disease. おばあちゃんは持病があります。おばあちゃんは持病があります。This kanji means the medicine, 薬. We sometimes pronounce 薬 in 熟語. This kanji consists of 2 parts. The first one, this upper part, this is 草冠. This means something to do with herbs. And this one, 楽しい, 楽しい. It means joyful, awesome, or also 楽. 楽, it means it's so comfortable. It's not difficult at all. It's comfortable. This kanji means when you are sick, you take this herb. Then you can feel joyful or you can feel comfortable. And this is medicine, 薬. Eye lotion, 目薬, because this is the medicament for the eyes, eyes. The pronunciation with 10 here, not 薬, but 薬, 目薬, stomach medicine, 胃薬, because 胃, this is stomach. So 胃薬 also with 10, 胃薬, stomach medicine. Powdered medicine, 粉薬. 粉, this is powder. So 粉 and also instead of 薬, 粉薬. There are 2 ways to say pharmacy or drugstore. 薬屋. 薬, so this is 訓読み. 薬屋. You know, this 屋, it means the shop or the store. For example, パン屋. This is bakery. So in this case, 薬屋. This is the shop where you can buy 薬, medicine. 薬屋. The other way, reading in 音読み. 薬局. 薬局. Both mean the same, but when there's the name of the pharmacy, for example, the name is 田中. 田中薬局. So the name and 薬局. We don't use in this case 薬屋. 田中薬局. This means the pharmacy 田中. We call the person who work at the drugstore 薬屋さん. I go to the drugstore. 薬屋に行きます。薬局に行きます。Medical herb, medical plant. 薬草, 薬草. The second kanji, this one is, here we pronounce so in onyomi, but in kunyomi, this is 草. 草, it means herb. So this is why medical herb. Gunpowder, 火薬, 火薬. The first kanji, this symbolizes fire, 火. But here we pronounce onyomi ka, like 火曜日, ka. And here, 薬 also onyomi. But in this case, this is not medicine. It's something to do with chemistry. Pesticide. 農薬. The first kanji, no, it comes from 農業, agriculture. So agriculture and medicine, or agricultural and chemistry. So this is pesticide. We only pronounce in one way this kanji. Ka. This is quite easy to write. This part is nogi hen, and you know it. So the first one is like no from katakana, no. And now this is ki, tree. But this is only hen, one part of the kanji. So you must write very slender and long. So the one, this one, the next one is black one. 2 going up. And 3, this blue one, but not just in the center. This is more in the right side, okay? 2, and now this green one, 3, and the last 4th, this red one is quite short. Now the 6th and 7th stroke is this 10, 10, and the last 2, at first this green one, it's like a cross, like this 1, and from here, and this is the long, very long one, the red one, this is the last one, the vertical, long. We pronounce exactly the same, these 2 words, kagaku, kagaku. But when we use with this kanji, ka, kagaku, this means science. On the other hand, when we use with this kanji, kagaku, this one, it means chemistry. But other word, rika, this also means science. In kagaku, this was science too. So what's the difference? When we say kagaku with this one, this is science in general. But when we say rika, then this means this is science learned in elementary school as one of the subjects. Textbook. 教科書. 教科書. The last kanji, sho, this is from kakimasu. Kakimasu, to write. So something is written. Then textbook. And now with this kanji, 教科, only 教科. Then this is subjects that we learn at school. And synonym, 科目. Here we use the kanji of me, but we pronounce moku. 科目. This is also subjects. My favorite subjects at school was English. 学校で好きな科目は、教科は英語でした。学校で好きな科目は英語でした。学校で好きな教科は英語でした。Previous convictions or a criminal record. 前科。前科。This 前, this is 前。So before. 前科。surgery. 外科。外科。This kanji 外。outside. Adding this kanji 医者。doctor. So 外科医。外科医. This is a surgeon. This kanji symbolizes inside. 内. Or in onyomi, ない. Very easy to write. The first one is this red one. 1, the vertical, and now this black one. 2, and turn, and here, jump. And 3, this blue one. 3, and 4 from here, like this. 4. Internal medicine, so inside. 内科. 内側, inside. 外側, outside. So here, 側 with 点々. But only this one, it means 側. It means the part. So the interior part and exterior part. Relatives of the family. 身内, 身内. One's own wife. 家内. Well, this kanji か comes from 家 or 内, the house. And so interior of the house. So someone who is always inside of the house. So it is quite old-fashioned, but 家内 This means my own wife. 家内 The synonym is 妻. 妻 is also my own wife. I think you can imagine only by watching this. What's the meaning? Well, this means ない interior, inside, and 車 This is 車 and we pronounce it here 車内 車 is a car. So inside of the car or in the car 車内 But 車内 not only the car. It means 車内 can be inside of the train or inside of the bus or inside of the taxi 車内 Inside of the country 国内 Here we pronounce 国 instead of 国国内 Inside of the body And here we use the kanji of 体 体 is the body But here we pronounce 体体内体内 Within the year By the end of this year 年内年内 By learning only 5 kanjis But we learned a lot of vocabularies, right? Now a quiz time with 4 translations into Japanese. Please try to write in kanjis as much as possible. 1番目 I want to become a prestigious surgeon. 2番目 The hospital is a place where sick persons go. You must use relative clause in this sentence. 3番目 My younger brother's favorite subject is science. 4番目最後ですよ。My grandmother's eye lotion is not found. In this last sentence, I want you to use intransitive verb. It means something, this is subject. Eye lotion, this is subject, is not found. If you are still watching this video right now, in this case, thank you very much for your effort. I'm sure you're learning a lot of new vocabularies. If you think this video was useful for you, please don't forget to give me a like. And if you can share my videos with your friends, that will be a great help for me. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it so that you can continue learning Japanese with me. いかがでしたか？今日もまた新しい漢字を5つ勉強しました。そしてこれらの新しい5つの漢字を使ってさらに新しい言葉を勉強しました。このように一つの漢字を習うだけでも急に語彙がぐんと増えますよ。それに漢字を勉強するときはただ漢字一つだけを覚えるのじゃなくていろいろなこの言葉として覚える方が絶対に身につきます。これからも根気よく私と一緒に漢字も勉強しましょうね。私のチャンネルでは漢字だけではなくて文法とか日本の文化についてもいろいろ話していますから、ぜひチャンネル登録なさってください。このビデオが良かったよと思ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタンまたはコメントなどくださいね。できれば私のビデオをお友達に紹介してください。そうしてくださるととても助かります。ぜひお願いします。ではまた次のビデオでお会いできるのをとても楽しみにしています。また来てください。じゃあね。バイバイ。